Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add an authorized user to your Google business profile. I'm not even joking. It takes 60 seconds or less. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So to add a person to your Google business profile, it's super easy. So I'm going to show you just how to do it. We're going to go over here to Google and you're just going to Google your business. So I'll show you with mine. I just put in Twinning Pros Destin. And now I'm going to go here and then I'm going to go to business profile settings and then I'm going to go to people and access and then just click right here and click add. And then it's Tabitha at twinningpros.com. And then you're going to hear me. Tabitha at twinningpros.com is my email. And so you just add my name right there in the box. And then just make me a manager. You're the owner. But just make me a manager so that way I can go in there and change the information for you. And it really is that easy. And it'll send me the invite in an email. And then all I have to do is accept it. And then we're good to go.